Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing two Ipsy glam bags. This is basically just a comparison video. And I'm so sorry about the lighting. I don't know if it's good or not. I'm getting a little bit like shadows on my face. I need to bring my ring light in and use it. I'm so sorry about that. So in today's video, I'm gonna be comparing two Ipsy glam bags. They're both the regular glam bags, the $12 ones. And me and my mom both have the glam bag subscription, but since we both got it at the same time, because that usually never happens, I usually get mine first in the mail. But yeah, I thought this would be a fun comparison on which one's better, which one has the better products, better makeup. So now let's get into unboxing these two glam bags. I'm also gonna rate each product I unbox on a scale of 1 to 10, and then I'm gonna tell you guys the totals of my glam bag and her glam bag and see which one has the most points. I just thought it'd be fun and to just not be a regular unboxing video like I usually do. So let's go into my glam bag. So the first thing I got is an eyeshadow brush. I think I'm pronouncing this right. It's by Larousse and it's just a pretty dark sky blue color. The brush seems good quality. I love the brush, so soft, and I just love this gripping handle. You can never go wrong with more eyeshadow brushes. I love collecting eyeshadow brushes in my glam bag. So honestly, this is a 10 out of 10 for me because I would definitely use this. Now let's see. Mine is like really thick, as you can tell. So I actually got two things outside of my bag. I think I got two in here. They're double-sided. So this one's the Shea Butter Nourishing Mask, and then the other one is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, Centella Repairing Mask. You can't go wrong with face masks. These are such pretty packaging. I would rate them an 8 out of 10 for me. I really hope I just didn't get washed out there. Yikes. So now we're getting actually into the Ipsy bag. I really like the January Ipsy bag. It's more of a frosty bag. It just gives this blur effect, and it says Dream on here, which is so cute. They're gonna open this up, and of course you get a card with it. Just tells you all the products that you're getting this month. The theme of this month is Dream It, which I think that's really cute coming into the new year. Just gotta set your goals and dream high. So the first thing I get out of the bag is this, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, Ahava. Honestly, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's a Dead Sea water mineral hand cream. Let's see if it smells good. So it's white right here. Let's see if it smells good. Oh yeah, I'm smelling it. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells fresh and really good. I really like this. I love the teal packaging. It's so cute. I would rate this hand cream a 7 out of 10. I really enjoy it. The next thing in my glam bag is this chapstick. It's by Moroccan Magic. It contains oregano and essential oil. Now my hands are really slippery. I can't even get it. It smells like essential oils. Yeah, I like this. I don't know if I would really use this because I have my own chapstick, so I would rate this a 5 out of 10. And the last thing in my glam bag is this nail polish. Let's open this up. It's by Bella and Argenta. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. Oh my gosh, this is such a pretty color. It's like a rose gold color. I can't even open it. Oh, there, I got it. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It's just a shimmery pink color. I love this so much. I rate this a 7 out of 10 again. I just don't know if I would reach for it. I don't really like to paint my nail polishes because it takes forever. My family is making noise outside, so I'm gonna throw the number up here on what I got for my bag. Honestly, I think it's gonna be such a high number. I have hopes for my bag, so hopefully mine wins. Honestly, I'm very pleased with my bag. I didn't get a lot of, actually I didn't get any makeup products, only like a makeup brush. I'm okay with that. I just really wish I got more makeup items this month. So hopefully next month I get some more makeup items from Ipsy. So now let's go into my mom's Ipsy bag. So the first thing that is in the bag is this eyeshadow brush. It's from the same brand that I got my other eyeshadow brush. This is much more fine, which would be really good for blending. I honestly like this brand's eyeshadow brushes. I love the grip to it. It's very sturdy. And overall, I just love the packaging. I would rate this a 10 and 10 as well. So that's the only thing that was not in her actual Ipsy bag. So in her actual Ipsy bag is the same bag, of course. Let's open it up. She got the same card as well. Ooh, what is Okay, mom, I might steal this from you. This is from Pure. It's a fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. Girl, I'm gonna open this up and see what the wand looks like. Ooh, that's a nice brush. Seems like you would get a lot of product out of this mascara. Why do I look washed out again? Let's see if I can turn this down. Wait, that looks good. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with that anymore. But honestly, I would rate this a 10 out of 10. I love mascara. So far, she's off to a good start. So the next thing in her makeup bag is from Wander Beauty. This is Wondrous? This is the Wondrous Glow After Hours. Ooh, what is this? Is this like a highlighter? This is a very gold highlighter. I would mostly use this for eyeshadow, not really on the face because I am so light. I think it'd be better for much of like a medium deeper toned, but yeah, I would use that for eyeshadow if my mom gives that to me. So the next thing out of her Ipsy bag is this Bright Ice Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. It's like an eye cream, I think. I can't even open this. I mean, this is cute. Maybe my mom would wear this, but if I ever got this in my bag, I would not wear it. I'm gonna rate that a 5 because if you guys seen my night routine, I already have my own eye cream that I use from GlamGlow. The last thing that she got out of her Ipsy bag is this Yenza. I don't know. I'm so sorry if I'm saying things wrong. Full coverage foundation. It has SPF 40 in it, which is really good. I love the packaging. It's like rose gold color. That is so cute. Honestly, I have my own set foundation I use. It's the L'Oreal Infallible foundation, I believe that's called. It is such a good foundation. I highly recommend that. It's also very lightweight. Like, you do not feel any of the foundation on your skin. That's why I love it so much, and that's why I don't really tend to go towards other foundations. Oops. But if I got this in my bag, I would honestly rate this a 2. So sorry. And I just wouldn't pick this up, and I just feel like it'd be a waste in my makeup drawer. So I'm glad she got this because maybe she will use it. So I'm gonna throw up the number right here that my mom got. Honestly, I think I would have won. Honestly, I didn't even keep track. Yay for me if I won. I think I did. I rated these 2 products really low in her bag, so I believe I won because I rated mine all really high. Yeah, but my favorite stuff is honestly the eyeshadow brushes, so I'm really hoping my mom lets me keep hers because they're such good quality. I hope you guys enjoyed this comparison, this review unboxing of the January Ipsy Glam bag. I hope this was better than my normal sit down unboxing my own Ipsy bag. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys got the same products or if you guys got different products. I would love to know. If you guys got more makeup stuff, because I didn't get any makeup stuff, and here my mom got 3. I didn't even get 1. And don't forget to follow me on my socials. They'll be linked all down below, and also the products will all be linked if you guys would want to purchase any of these. And my Etsy shop is linked down below for you guys as well. I make lots of stickers, and also my new products are out. I just released lip scrubs. I think by the time this is up, there'll only be 2 lip scrubs available, raspberry and lavender vanilla. But don't worry, there's going to be lots more lip scrubs and lots more products that I want to sell to you guys. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe and click the notification bell if you guys aren't already subscribed. I love you guys all so much, and I hope you guys have such a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll see you guys this Saturday with a new video. Bye guys. Bye.